Hey everyone, I'm Simon. Welcome to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. In this episode, I'm going to review another MVNO carrier. This time around, I'm going to talk about US Mobile. Now, US Mobile uses the Verizon network or the T-Mobile network. They kind of split those two as Super LTE, that is the Verizon network, and just the regular LTE is the T-Mobile network. They have a variety of plans that you can choose from. You can choose their existing custom plans where you get to select your voice minutes, the number of texts, and even data. They also recently unveiled some new unlimited plans as well. For $15 a month, you can get unlimited talk and text with 2.5 gigabytes of LTE data. They also have an unlimited all plan for $40. The unlimited all plan has extra perks as well if you start kind of like a family plan. US Mobile also has a mobile app that you can use to track data usage and even purchase additional data as well. They also have international roaming, which is a big plus if you guys are, frequent travelers. So I've been using their service for some time now, and I kind of have to say it's a hit and miss for me. The first issue I had with US Mobile is porting in a number. I tried to port in my unlocked Google Voice number, but the process never finished. I waited for 3 days and it still didn't work. I'm not exactly sure what the cause of the problem was. It could be on their end or Google Voice's end, but either way, it was kind of hard to get support from Google because they don't really offer support on Google Voice, and especially when you're trying to port out to a different carrier. And US Mobile said that it might be Google's end, it'll be best to do like a 3-way call with US Mobile and Google, but Google doesn't have a support number to do that with. So after waiting for that amount of time, I decided to just get a new number. So US Mobile canceled the first port request, and then I started the whole new activation process. This time I selected to just get a brand new number. So that was a pain to deal with. Once I got all that sorted out, I did a few speed tests. This is what my speeds are at home. It was usable, but these results look slow because of the device I'm using. I'm using a really old iPhone SE. This device came out in 2016, so obviously it's missing some key components that will give you that ultimate LTE speed that you're looking for, at least in my neighborhood. But overall, it was still decent. I was still able to use it at home. So after testing the LTE speeds at home, I decided to start testing it out at places that I frequently visit. So let's take a look. Hey everyone, so right now I'm going to drive around my neighborhood, places that I always go to, and see how US Mobile does with the speed test. So check out these clips. Okay, so here I am. I'm actually in another neighborhood right now. I'm actually right outside Jeff Wharton, my co-host's house right now. So we're just gonna test out these speeds at near his place. So let's see how US Mobile does around this area. So let's see. As you can tell, the up is decent, but not as fast. But I gotta warn you, everyone, that I don't have like the latest and greatest phone to test on, so this is probably the reason why. So if you have a better phone, you'll probably get way better speeds. So this is what I'm getting right now. So let's see. That's the speed test I've been getting. Hello, Jeff. Yeah, you're on camera right now. I'm recording your phone call. Say hello to everyone.
Hey, what's up? Oh, well, it's a good thing I put some clothes on and a hat.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah, how's it sound?
It does sound really good, actually.
Cool.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
So phone calls are good. And yeah, he's like right there. We're doing a socially distanced speed test right now. So, yeah. So, yeah, thanks, Jeff. Well, sounds good on your end?
Yeah, no, sounds real good. A lot of clarity here. I'm not picking up any static or anything like that. So, yeah, no, it's all good.
Sweet. Different location this time. More city, more industrial. So let's do a little speed test. getting about like 3.775 download speed. Okay. Actually, went up 4.09 megabits down. And the upload is around 0.61 megabits up. So it really depends on location. So this is my current speed with this device. Again, not using the latest and greatest. So hopefully we could one day get a different device to test out. But let's go to location number 3. Different location, and we're gonna do another speed test. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh, now the speeds are a lot much faster. So about 11.6 megabits down. So it's about 4.55 megabits up. So these are the speed test results, ladies and gentlemen. Another thing I want to point out is when you are using the Super LTE, also known as the Verizon network, you don't get Wi-Fi calling. Now the feature is there on the phone, but when you try to activate it, it just won't work. Also, if you're on the unlimited all plan, you'll also need to pay extra for faster speeds. And faster speeds is $5 extra. If you want faster speeds and hotspot capability, you need to pay $10 extra. So that's something you might need to consider as well. So after using US Mobile, I personally wouldn't continue to use them. Yes, their coverage is great and LTE speeds are decent, but I just don't like the fact that they nickel and dime you for services like personal hotspot and faster LTE speeds. I would think it's already included the moment I check out and already pick my plan, but they're not. But what do you guys think of US Mobile? Are you currently a US Mobile customer? How's the experience for you? Let me know in the comments below. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to check out some of these other reviews if you're looking for more MVNO alternatives.